it's wonderful to be back. But we feel sorry for the island. It's obviously very difficult for everybody, and it'll take time to recover. But overall, doing the Heineken, and everybody seems enthusiastic, and it's just nice to see lots of boats back and enjoying themselves. So we're very, very pleased to be here.
Feels good to be back here. We moved here to Antigua in June. Was a stroke of luck. So we're happy to be back and support St. Martin and be at the regatta. This is our been coming here for 10 years now, so it's great to be here.
Well, we moved the boat to St. Martin last year from Fajardo. We've done this race 9 out of the last 11 years, not only on this boat, but other boats. And we left it down here, and it got hit by 2 hurricanes. And I think we did pretty well, considering that the boat stood up very, very nicely.
We did okay, It's difficult to know until the score comes in, but we beat some boats, and they have to beat us by so much, and then we have to beat them by so much. So you never really know. But I think we had probably a 2-2-3, something like that today, or 2-2-2. So anyway, it was good. We really enjoyed ourselves.
I think we maybe finished 3rd or 4th for the day, so it's pretty good. But the boat's going well, and we're looking forward to the fun weekend of the Heineken. So should be good.
The wind held up very nicely today. We were expecting it to be a little bit lighter, but kept up. A couple of holes out there. If you stayed out of the holes, and you did okay.